Jim Romer from Weather Wealth on this June 17th through 20th. A lot going on, a lot of extreme weather around the world. We supply commodity traders, farmers, and agricultural businesses with the best long and short-term weather forecasts and also trading strategies in multiple markets. Weather extremes from devastating floods in Yellowstone National Park. That park may be closed for the rest of the summer to a heat dome. Look at this next week. Temperatures around 100 degrees or so in parts of the Midwest. This is going to be a very important time of the year for the corn crop, of course. That's the Corn Belt. We've seen corn prices rally the last several days, and we have a variety of strategies for our clients with wheat spreads and options and soybeans and things like that. This is a dome that got people excited on Thursday and Friday, a heat dome consistent with our forecast a month ago about a strengthening summertime La Nina and a western drought. When that happens 3 to 4 times since 1900, that drought expanded into parts of the western Corn Belt during the summer. Texas cotton growing areas being affected, but the outside markets and financials have pressured parts of the cotton market recently after a stellar rally on inflation over the last 12 months. Corn and wheat have been going in the opposite direction, even though there's some problems with the crops for wheat in Europe. The Canadian crop looks great. The Russian crop looks good, and there's harvest pressure. One reason why corn has outperformed the wheat market here over the last few days. Will that continue? How do you trade this stuff? Any change in the forecast can send this spread the opposite way. So you want to subscribe to my newsletter with frequent updates during the course of the week. Blackouts out west. So why have natural gas prices sold off again? One reason is, of course, the very high prices relative to history, and also a bearish EIA number last week as of cooler temperatures. That could begin to change as we get into the summer. The most important thing for the natural gas market, though, really, other than weather, is LNG exports. Look at that off to the right there, how LNG exports have soared versus the last 5 or 10 years, but because of a main export facility in the Gulf Coast being closed from a recent fire, that's one reason for the real major volatility in the natural gas market. We have spreads on and options for traders given our long-range forecast for the summer and a trade this very volatile natural gas market. Get your feet wet instead of spending a few $1,000s a year. You could get just for a couple $100 or $49 a month. Try it for a month. Climate Intelligence, which is my monthly newsletter, gives more long-range forecasts, journal ideas about weather, and generic trading strategies versus Weather Wealth. That's much more of a twice-a-week service and detailed updates for clients. Have a very safe and happy weekend, and we'll talk to you soon. Thank you.